Go.
Hi guys! We're gonna unbox the...
And also, thank you.
Thank you,
Mama.
Mama. Okay, we're gonna unbox the comic book. I mean, like the PT and Dogman comic book. And there's another book, but we don't know what is it. So
I
let's
know.
unbox it. This is our bookmark. Our bookmark. I bought this one. She bought this one. So let's open it. Ako na. It's in a cardboard. Okay. So secured.
Oh, they're excited.
Yeah. Yeah. Exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off.
Imagine a stranger tried to get it, then they realize it's with cardboard and a lot of tape.
This is a tape so hard. Wow.
Yeah, because it's big pack.
I'm so strong.
Same.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, you have to open here.
Oh my gosh. Wait, ask Papa. Well, I tried to open this one.
Oh! No.
Okay. Like that, I'll get it.
Okay. Basic.
Yay.
Get out.
Okay, I already got it.
Get out.
Oh, yay.
We're gonna try to unbox. Oh, right here. This. Yeah.
I finally figured out how to unbox it. I'm kind of scared to break it. I mean, like, yeah. Look. Oh my god.
Wait. Let me take one.
Take one.
Wait.
Oh. The thing.
Mother
Mothering height? Wait, there's the skid one.
Show.
Oh, look, guys. Look. Is there... Okay. So,
Yan na.
no. And we use this one. I
Use this one as to do this, then we cannot lost it.
like the page. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.